Are you constantly bothered by back or neck pain? Were you in a car accident and just can't get rid of the constant aching? Do you frequently get headaches, nerve pains, or numbness? If so, you have come to the right place. We are proud to be the premier local chiropractor, and getting our patients pain-free is our #1 goal. We have helped hundreds of clients greatly reduce or eliminate their pain in just a few sessions. Don't suffer another day. Contact us now to arrange our no-obligation chiropractic consultation, and let us help you get on the path to becoming pain-free.